everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create multiple promotional product photos at once with Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI content creation platform that helps you make product visuals, ads, marketing content, or maybe AI talking photo, avatar videos, and many more. And if you want to try it too, just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this platform. And then next, first just open Pippit AI like this, and then go to the image studio, and then just use AI design Nino Banana. And then in here, just upload the product photo that you want to turn into different promotional variations. For example, I want to choose from my computer like this. And then next, once your image is uploaded, you can directly type your prompt about the multiple product photos that you want to create. In here, I want to write a prompt like this: create for promotional photo of drinks with different fruit flavors based on product in the reference image. You can just create your own prompt over here, and then after that, just choose your AI model in here. And then you can just choose resolutions, and you can also adjust the size of the photo. And after that, just click on submit and wait for a moment. And okay, like this, you will get the 4 results like this. Let's just take a look. Okay, like this. I think the result is so good, but unfortunately, the picture that on the drink cans, it's still not matched with its flavor fruits. So maybe next you can just adjust your prompt more detailed to make the results more better. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.